ParakeetAI app is totally invisible to others, even when you share your entire screen on your online meeting. Here are all the privacy features we added to make sure that only you can see ParakeetAI. First feature, invisible on-screen share. Imagine that this is your computer and this is the computer of your interviewer. The interviewer asks you to share your entire screen. And even though ParakeetAI is opened on your computer, it is totally invisible to them. This invisibility feature makes ParakeetAI perfect for coding interviews when you are required to share your screen while solving a lead code style coding problem. You can simply share your screen with no worries and even resize or move the ParakeetAI window so it's not in your way. Then click Analyze Screen and ParakeetAI will solve and explain the problem on your display, and you can simply copy and rewrite the code in the editor. ParakeetAI app is invisible on all online call platforms we tested. But if you're using Zoom, make sure that you have the advanced capture with window filtering option turned on in the advanced share screen settings. Click the link in the description for more details. Feature number 2. Invisible in dock. We've hidden ParakeetAI icon from the dock, and there is no status bar title change whenever you're interacting with the app. If ParakeetAI icon is still appearing in your dock, go to macOS dock settings and disable this feature called Show Suggested and Recent Apps. Then restart the ParakeetAI app to make it disappear. Alternatively, if you want to keep suggested apps in the dock and the ParakeetAI icon is visible, you can right-click the ParakeetAI icon and click Remove from dock. Feature number 3 is invisible in Activity Monitor or Task Manager. We also made sure that in case your interviewer asks you to share your screen and to show them your Activity Monitor or Task Manager, that ParakeetAI remains invisible. We did this by renaming the app to P module and blurring its icon after it installs on your computer. So if you don't know where your ParakeetAI app is installed, search for P module. Feature number 4, invisible to tab switching. Some platforms detect and alert the interviewers if you click on some other tab or window on your computer and you move your focus away from the application that you were supposed to be using during your interview. But as you can see right here, interacting with ParakeetAI app is undetectable by these applications, so you don't have to worry about anyone figuring out that you're using ParakeetAI. And feature number 5, cursor undetectability. We even made sure that the cursor does not change shape whenever you're interacting with our app. You can click on buttons, type, or change any settings you want, and the interviewer will not be able to see your cursor change. We encourage you to test all the ParakeetAI features and performance by using our unlimited free sessions before your job interview. This way, you can familiarize yourself with all the shortcuts and test that everything is invisible and safe to use. Try ParakeetAI for free today.